Okay guys, so to make the sugar wax, you need water, sugar, and lemon juice. So basically it's like a simple syrup. I have been sugar waxing for probably 6 months now, and getting this formula right can be a hit or miss. This honestly was probably one of my best batches of sugar wax. You will see the issue that I had coming up, but once you make it, once it starts bubbling, take it off the eye of the stove, remove it quickly. You want to basically take a bowl of water. Don't do this while the wax is extremely hot. You will burn yourself. I'm taking it off a spoon, and I'm basically going to mold it, and I left it in this container. I oiled the container down with shea butter and left it sitting there for a minute while I set up my camera and my lights and whatnot. Now, starting off, telling you what I did wrong. I did not close the container. I think I let this sit out in the open, even though literally it was like 15 minutes. It just took me 15 minutes to get my lights and my camera set up. Baby, when I tell you that wax hardened on my behind so quick, I could not work with it. As you see, I am struggling. I am in pain. Okay. You can see the wax is like literally like just wrapped around the follicles of hair, but it was so difficult trying to get this wax off my skin. It was so painful. I went ahead and just like I'm doing this voiceover because I was cussing too much, and I'm not about to bleep out all them cuss words. Honey, it was painful. So do not, when you store this, and I actually wasn't trying to store it because I was going to use it immediately. I didn't think it would have been, it would have hardened that quick. I really should have put the lid on. I think that's what my issue was. Eventually I got all the hair out. As you can see, all that hair stuck in that clump of wax. It just wasn't a good thing. So do not do that. If you make the wax and it's going to take you a minute to get started or whatever, cover it up, store it up, oil up the container, call it a day for then, just for that moment, just for now. Do not let this sit. Now, what I did to get the consistency back to where I wanted it to for my other armpit is I took the container, added a little bit of water, like just a drop of water, and put it in the microwave for like 5 or 10 seconds, okay? And it got back to the consistency that I wanted. Me trying to mold it with my fingers, it looked like Laffy Taffy, and I could not wax with that. So, again, do not let this sit. Use it immediately if you can. If not, store it properly and wax whenever you get a chance. Now, as you can see, as I'm going on, the formula or the consistency is way, way better. So I was breezing through my armpits. It was just taking me a little while because I wanted to make sure that I was in focus. But other than that, my right armpit, I went through that armpit so quick, like nothing. So that's basically me torturing myself because I knew when I was messing with that wax, I said, I need to wet this. But I did not follow my first mind. Follow your first mind. Follow your gut. Follow your instinct, okay? I should have wet that wax because I caused this pain on myself. So, yeah, enjoy the video. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
And I'll see you next week. Bye.
Oh God. Ah. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yeah, this is much better. Much better. Hopefully, I don't know what happened. I couldn't tell you what happened. I think I let the air hit it for too long with me being in the process of trying to set up my camera and whatnot. Maybe I let the air hit it for too long. I probably should have put the lid on here, but I didn't think it would be such a problem because I was immediately going to use this. I'm really not trying to store it because I need it like right now because I'm trying to wax right now. Now it's a little I'm trying to get this off immediately. So again, hold my arm. Okay. Get this piece off. Whew, that's better. That's a better pull. Way better. Way better. Way better. Okay. Think one more last time. Cause I see a few spots. That one hurts. Or has an after burn to it more than the other one. Since it goes down at an angle, try to make it as even as possible. I don't have any popsicle sticks, so that's one problem. Okay, so because it grows at an angle, it's like closer to the crease, it kind of like is sporadic. It just grows any type of way. Down in the middle, it kind of grows at an angle. But I don't think it's going to be a problem if I rip it from top to bottom. So again, holding this skin taut. Okay. And I kind of press the fabric in there. See, I just felt like a little air bubble right there. I would have missed that spot. 1, 2, 3. That's good enough for me. And that was right in the crease. At an angle too. This hair is growing up. So I'm gonna apply this wax upward. So basically the opposite of this side. Go in with the powder. I use a little bit too much, but that's okay. Okay, try to hurry up for this camera. Now, because this little edge is thick, I could rip it off with that, but I don't got time to play. So, take another piece of wax or another piece of cotton. Okay. I'm getting tired. I only got 9%. Okay. Whew. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh shit. Oh, it's thick up in there. Okay. 1. Oh shit. Oh. Ooh. 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 It's thick. Them hairs is. Them is Chewbacca hairs. 1, 2, 3. Ah, shit. I can't even rip this motherfucker. God damn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I can't bring my 1. Nose run. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, God. Whew. Don't ever go this long without waxing. Please. I beg of you. It ain't even that bad. But girl, when I tell you I got them roots. Ooh. Look how long those are. You see them little white spots? Them little white spots. Those are called bulbs. Right? I believe so. And literally, oh God. Oh, that's so smooth. I love this stuff. I'm gonna have to hurry up though. Okay.